Hey guys, it's Ellie Jane and welcome back to my channel. So today I made this slimy stuff. Lots of shaving cream, shampoo and conditioner and soap. And I put it in the freezer and it decided to freeze. So I was just going to make a vlog about it because I thought you guys would like to know. So it's very sticky. It's not so much slime, it's me like this trying to make slime, which is really annoying. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys my slime because it is really cool. There's this slime. I'm going to keep mixing it. It's defrosting at the moment. And like I'm going to drip it like on my face. I need to use paint in this, I'm kind of scared. Okay, I'm going to see if you can use it as like contour. So say if you make it like orange, you can just use it like as contour. Just rub it into your face. Okay? And then you get like towel and you go like, oh, could work as contour. Doesn't say blue. It would work. You're gonna have to do it like a really dark color. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my slime, and while I'm here, I'll tell you how I made it. So I got an egg cup. I put in that much shampoo, that much conditioner, and like that much gel shaving cream. Like that much gel shaving cream. And then I mixed it all up for like ages. Sorry. And then I put it in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. And then it doesn't actually have a slime because I can't really pick it up. I tried to pick it up, it goes really faily. But it's fun to play with. I mean, you can make different colours, and as I said, you can like put it on your cheek. And you could use it as like contour. And say if you've got like a nice orangey colour, and just rub it in the spot where you want it. And then it's like kind of like vaguely right down. And hopefully it should work. So yeah, I will tell you guys if I made contour or not. And actually, I'm going to make it now. So all you will need is a really liquidy paint. So I found really liquidy paint. This is in Easter. It was in an Easter box, so it was really liquidy. This liquidy, okay. So I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna make it orange, because I don't have so much orange. It's gonna be hard, but I'll try. Because I'm doing it for you guys, so it's definitely worth doing it for you guys. Because, you know, without you guys, I wouldn't have a channel. So, things run out. I'm gonna use a different one. Okay, that one's full to the brim. So I'm just gonna start loading like all of that into like. It would help if it wasn't so blue, but that was my idea, so I didn't know you could make a contour, and I was like, hey, you can make contour, concealer, you can make something out of that, and it's gonna mix it. Oh, it's turning into contour, and then it's gone a bit brown. Sorry, but you can't see me. Okay, so at the moment it kind of looks like poop, which wasn't my aim, but oh well, I can make it lighter. But yeah, at the moment it just looks like a pile of poop, like pot of poop, and I'm not really confident. Well, it could be contour, but I can't. And that is my poopy coloured shade. So yeah, like my videos, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next channel. Also, I'll tell you how the contour works. Okay, bye.